Welcome. Please ignore the hype, the black box one-size-fits-all approach, things are changing too fast so we can wait, and the mysticism around the integration of artificial intelligence, including generative AI, ChatGPT, and Copilot, etc., into our businesses. We know how to do governance and embed frameworks. We do it all the time for things like payments management, vendor management, and project management. Come, let us bring the proven, pragmatic practicalities from business to artificial intelligence and its data dependency to assure the service delivery, protect our businesses, and grow them. This session is about an element-based approach within frameworks and its application within data governance and AI governance. It is the combination of elements used in different ways at different times for varying roles to meet needs is where the flexibility and scalability arise while being technology agnostic in an environment of rapid changes in technology. Example of element application. An example of an element-based approach is to achieve a data analysis deliverable and to create a blended product for use. The agreements and supply of data is in place. The aspects of data quality are addressed. Elements to include restrictions, having the required restrictions on data addressed for use. Access, the respective access to the data exists. Permissions, the permissions on use are appropriate to the work. Authorities and delegations, the required authorities and delegations are in place for use of the data, i.e. the team can do its job. Exceptions, there is a path for managing exceptions. Emergency powers, having checked, there are currently no emergency powers issues. Directories and dictionaries, the respective data directories provide the required metadata and data details, while a data dictionary exists for the processing of the data. Other elements are required, though this is sufficient for illustrative purposes. Element combinations contributing to the outcome for another element. Consider creating trust in a framework. A series of elements are combined to help create trust so that data can be shared and used within AI. Example elements required include service and sharing agreements, skilling and training, accreditation and certification, request management, testing, audit, risk management, guidelines and frameworks, business prerequisites. Other elements are required, though this is sufficient for illustrative purposes. Element use within a framework. For a given activity in a specific role, not all elements within a framework are required at a specific time. Different elements are needed before activity, during activity, post-activity, role requirements, scenario use. The element-based approach enables the meeting of different needs for delivery using frameworks. Delivery of outcomes from frameworks is about the use of which elements are needed for a given role to complete a given task. A series of elements may have been used before the current task and are used after a current task for a given role. Thank you for your time. May this series be of value to you and those you help. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.